Hello everyone. If you are looking to learn how to plant a succulent and are a plant, you are in the right spot. Okay, so let's begin. So we have a beautiful 12-inch pot here. This pot was actually $19 from Home Depot. Great size. It's sort of like a cream color. And we also have two succulent plants right here as well. The two here. Okay, and we are going to pot the two succulent plants here, okay? So you can purchase succulent plants actually on Amazon for about 4 mini ones would probably run you under $20, okay? So, and remember, succulent plants are great. They last long, and you don't have to worry about watering them or anything like that too frequently. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do here is we're going to make a hole here in the pot, in the soil. So make sure you pour your dirt in here and everything, your soil. I call it dirt because it's dirt, okay? And then we're going to pour water here, add water. And don't ask me how much because I don't know. Just pour water, okay? I have no idea. I'm not a horticulturist. And if you are a horticulturist, congratulations. I don't need any advice, okay? So we're going to have the succulents here, okay? And we're going to take them out. And you see here, you sort of have to tickle the bottom a little bit. Just loosen up the roots a bit, okay? Right here. And we just sit them here in the hole. Real simple. Okay, and then this is our second succulent here. And again, we just sort of loosen the bottom up here. Okay, and we just put them here in the hole. Nothing fancy. Okay, so then you have your succulents there. Perfect. And it didn't take that long. Just put the dirt in the pot. Soil, they call it. I call it dirt because it's dirt. And unfortunately, we do have to buy dirt. But if you have some in your neighbor's yard or you have some in your backyard, use that dirt. Okay, and just water it. So this is how it came out. Okay, all right, I hope you enjoyed. God bless. Don't give up before the miracle happens. Bye.